When a client comes to us and needs medical treatment, they've typically already been to at least a hospital or urgent care before coming to us. But if they haven't and they're complaining about their neck and back, we'll tell them, you need to go get it checked out then. And depending on the findings there, we will help guide them in a direction of what type of treatment that it seems like would work best for them on improving their symptoms. Hiring an attorney early is extremely helpful to your case because we can send out preservation letters. If there's a slip and fall with video, you need to get a preservation letter out before that gets deleted. In a car, there's black box data, which shows how fast you were going at the crash and how fast the other vehicle was going, or who hit who, as well as many 18-wheelers now have dash cams in them as well, which shows the driver's position, and then it also shows the road. So preserving all of that can be extremely helpful to your claim, especially if the insurance company tries to deny liability. I would recommend that it's mostly with the younger demographic, however, some older as well, that everyone take a look at their insurance policy and see if you have coverage on it. And then if you don't, maybe look into how much that would be to add. It's normally not a heavy burden per month. It's normally pretty minimal. Look in and see if you can handle it with your budget, because when you don't have it and you're hit by an underinsured driver, which is very common in Louisiana, then there's nothing to help you with your lost wages, with your medical treatment, or with your pain and suffering. It's worthwhile to just take a look at it.
Underinsured or uninsured motorist coverage, typically called What that coverage is a secondary coverage for you if you're in a motor vehicle accident. If a car hits you, they'll likely have liability insurance because Louisiana, you're required to have or carry liability insurance on your vehicle. Well, you might be out of pocket, your health insurance doesn't have to run through it, but if you have it's going to provide you some coverage there. But one thing a lot of people do not understand, I think a lot of younger people don't understand, is that coverage covers your wages as well. If you're making $60,000 a year, you're in an accident, you're out of work for 6 months, what's going to compensate you for those wages? Your can help subsidize your wages during that period.
When you're younger and you get in an accident, whether it's a minor injury or a major injury, your longevity can look very different. They can still affect you. You might not be able to play sports or run around as much as you used to. Working out can be affected even by minor injuries. And going forward in life, that can have a lasting effect. A lawyer is a great choice to have on your side. Tomeny Best would be the best fit for you because we will treat you like family. We will treat you with the utmost respect throughout the whole process.